Alright, couple more. Esphome is the sweetest thing we're going to be using together. So we're going to be making all our own sensors. When it comes down to it, sensors to gauge humidity in the room, temperature in the room, light in the room, motion in the room, everything else. So that's my plan. And by building your own sensors, you save a lot of money. Alright, so we are going to hop back onto Home Assistant. Okay, and we're going to go to Settings, Add-ons, and go to Add Add-ons. And where it says Esphome, you want that, and you want to install it. So Watchdog Auto Update, put in Sidebar. Let's go Configuration, and looks good. Now under Documentation, I just want to see nope. Okay, so it should be good. Let's try it out. Let's go to Esphome. And alright, let's start it first. Oops. Start. Such a kind add-on, reminding me and then putting me back where I needed to go. Did you see that? So high res. Nice. Okay, you're gonna love this. Okay, we need a couple more things though before we go crazy making things out of ESP32s. So pretty soon we'll be able to talk to your dryer, find out how your temperature is doing in your little kid's room, all kinds of crazy stuff. But we need a couple more things. So that is installing Esphome. Let's move on to the next video.